Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. I know it's been a while, but I am in California visiting with my parents. I should be back at the end of the week and things should go back to normal. You'll be seeing more videos and stuff. But you know that when I'm in California, that means that I have gone to Daiso. So I thought I would show you a few things. It's not a whole bunch. Some of them are snacks for our road trip back. I have my two little grandbabies with me. So let's go ahead and get into it. Some of the snacks. Oh, I did buy this for my dad. These are macadamia nut cookies. So the Daiso, if you don't know about it, it is a store that is like a Dollar Tree store, but everything is $1.50 unless it's marked otherwise. So I also got a couple of these. The little ones love these. They're crispy noodle snacks. They're just little noodles, and they almost taste kind of like crispy pasta. So I got a couple of those. What else? Oh, my friends bought me a Pothos. Is it called a Pothos or a Pothos? A Pothos or an Apothos? Let me know if you know, because I don't know. I need to figure that out. So I got this little watering can. Isn't it so cute? It's just teeny tiny, and they said you only need to feed them like half of, like about this much water every week. So I thought that would be great for that little watering can. What else did we get in here? I picked up this sticker play set. Why? Not for the grandkids. Nope. For myself. For the lovely stickers that are in here. There's a couple pages of stickers, and I just thought this would be really cute. I did bring my planner with me to California, and so I thought I would do a little Finding Nemo layout. I also picked up this again for $1.50. It's got a little plastic cover. It's got a little lock here. You can it's just a box, but you can make crafts with it. I'm literally going to put my journal stickers in here, so, and I'll be able to see them in there. So that one's not going to be for a craft. However, I will be getting back to crafts again. I did pick up some of these. They're little sesame cookies. I grabbed those for my mom. So they have the best snacks there. They really do. This one, ooh, can you tell I'm at my parents' house. I don't have my setup. I did bring my setup, but I didn't bring the correct part. These are little breads. This one is like a cheese Danish type of bread. There's no cheese in it though, or at least not like you would think of a traditional cheese Danish. It's just a roll. What else did I get on here? I have a few more items. I ran out of my Stampin seal, so I picked one of these up real quick. I know that they don't work as good, but it's a permanent glue tape, double-sided, so I thought I would try this out since I need it right away. Okay, this is called a friction pen. If you've seen, I've used this many times before, but I will show you. It writes like a regular pen, so I'm just going to write like this, and then with friction it causes heat, so it erases. And so you can see there's my little Wyatt. You can see that it erased as well. So where was it? It's right here. I left a little tiny dot there, and now I'll erase that little dot. The only thing is, be careful, because especially in Arizona, if you use these on like a notebook, it writes perfectly. but if it's left out in the heat, it causes the ink to erase. So when you're like me and you wrote out all your plans on there and it erases, no, not good. So be very careful. These are great pens. They're erasable. But like I said, if someone really didn't like you, they could take your whole notebook, throw it in the microwave, and then you don't have your notes anymore. I have a couple more things. This is a silicone cover for AirPods. So I got one of those. That way I can keep my AirPods on my keychain, because I always am losing them. I don't know where they're at. And then finally, the last thing I got was this little, what do they call it? Well, I don't know. It's a cube. So, and I can put all of my stamping tools in here. So you can see by my hand, it's not that big. I'm kind of filming from a funky angle, but you can see it's not that big. It looks a lot bigger when I'm holding it like that, but it's not big at all. Like, here's my hand, but it's nice. It's probably like a 4 by 5, and it's got these nice long pockets, so I'm excited about that. You can keep your tools in there. So how have you guys been? Please give me comments down below, and if you stayed all the way to the end, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. I miss you guys. As you can tell, I've gotten some sun out here in California. It's so crazy because I live in Phoenix, but I've gotten more sun in California than in Phoenix. I guess because in Phoenix we just stay inside all day, where in California we're out and about doing fun things. So, all right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.